In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a client portal in teamwork.com. If you're new to the platform and looking to improve your project management workflow, you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your client portal in Teamwork, allowing you to collaborate more effectively with clients. Teamwork is an amazing project management tool that allows you to centralize your communications, task management, and file sharing. One of its best features is the ability to create a client portal, making it easier to manage client-facing projects without having to give them access to everything in your workspace. It's the ideal way to share project progress, manage documents, and keep your clients in the loop. Let's get started with how to set it up. First, you need to create a new project or use an existing one. After logging into your Teamwork account, navigate to the project section. Once you're in your project, you'll want to head over to the Project Settings tab. In this section, you can customize your project. Look for the option labeled Client Access, which will allow you to add clients to your portal. Teamwork makes it simple because you can easily define what clients can see and what they can't, keeping sensitive information safe while still providing them the visibility they need. You'll be able to add client-specific tasks, messages, and milestones that they can track in real time. Next, you'll want to set up the client's user permissions. This is crucial because it allows you to decide whether your client will be able to see everything in the project or only certain parts of it. For example, if you only want them to see task progress or files, you can configure these settings. This gives you full control, allowing you to collaborate efficiently without sharing too much. Now that the client access is set up, it's time to invite your clients to their portal. Simply go to the People section and click on Invite Clients. You'll need to enter their email addresses, and Teamwork will automatically send them an invite. Once they accept, they'll have access to their own personalized dashboard, where they can check progress, comment on tasks, or view shared documents. Another cool feature in Teamwork's client portal is the ability to set milestones. You can create key dates and tasks for your client to monitor, helping to keep projects on track. Clients can see their deadlines and understand what's left to do, which boosts transparency and trust. You'll also have a communication tool within the portal. This is a game changer for maintaining a smooth workflow. You can send messages, leave comments, and even update clients directly on the task or milestone they're involved in. Instead of going back and forth on email, everything stays neatly organized within Teamwork. Finally, don't forget about file sharing. You can upload important documents, files, and reports that your clients can easily access. You don't need to rely on email attachments anymore, and clients can quickly download or review the documents when necessary. It's all right there in their portal. Now, if you want to try Teamwork for yourself, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can get access to Teamwork completely free from the first link below, and I've also arranged special bonuses to help you get started faster. So don't miss out on the extended free trial. You'll get full access to everything you need to set up your client portal and see for yourself why Teamwork is trusted by businesses around the world. Remember, using a client portal in teamwork.com is a great way to enhance your collaboration with clients while keeping everything organized. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a smooth professional experience for everyone involved. And don't forget to take advantage of that extended free trial from the link below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other tips I have on how to maximize your use of Teamwork, and I'll see you in the next one.